So I'm continuing on slowly with the cleanup. So far I've gotten about 11,000 pounds of steel out of here. And there's going to be more. I mean, there's lots of, you can see there's still buckets and the ends of barrels, washing machine, maybe a dryer, old fridge, buckets everywhere. And anyway, but in this hole here, I just kind of for fun picked it out. There was a whole Goram combine in there. I mean, this is an old combine, maybe from the 50s or something, but it's the whole combine. And I'm so impressed with this little digger. That digger, it's about all it can do, but that digger's got this whole combine up in the air. It took a little doing, but was able to drag it up this hill here. And to give you a look here, that's the reel for it. So as far as I can tell, they just pushed the entire Goram combine down into this pit. Anyway, Digger's doing good, Rita's doing good. Just quick update for fun.